Hello friends, my name is Himanshu, and in this video I'm going to make you explain about a very simple transpose function. And for your information, it's an array function. Array function can be called to those functions which we are going to apply not on a single cell but to multiple cells in order to have the desired result. So transpose function is being used to convert the vertical data into horizontal and horizontal one into vertical, or row to column or column to row, also in another language you can say. So here you can see this is the data which is in row format, so I'm going to convert this into column format. So the rule is, here there are 5 entries, 1 2 3 4 5, so you are going to select 5 cell in a horizontal manner. So here I'm going to convert the vertical data into horizontal. I have done the selection. Start typing transpose. Okay, so I have typed the transpose function as an array. I'm going to do the selection of this particular data, close the bracket, and now very important aspect, remember, don't press enter. What you need to press is Control Shift and then enter, because that is how an array function need to be right. So Control Shift I have pressed and then enter, so you will get the result in a single row. So this is what a transpose function do. And if you have got a column based data, let's say this is the data which I'm going to convert this into a value 1. Now this column based data I want to convert into a row data, so I'm going to do the selection of 5 row. Once again I'm going to apply the transpose function, going to select the array which is going to be this one, close the bracket, Control Shift and then enter, and here it's work. This is it for the video. For such videos kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.